Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss the 8th poem from grade 6 CBSE, and the name of the poem is What If? It's by Shel Silverstein. So I'm sure a lot of you have a lot of notions, ideas, things going around in your head, and you keep thinking about it. Some of them might be very dangerous. Sometimes you think about the people around you, you think about the games. So I believe that our mind is constantly on work. It's working. So we have different concepts that bother us, different things that bother us. So let's see what bothers the poet. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. What if I'm dumb in school? What if they've closed the swimming pool? What if I get beat up? What if there's poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? So the poet says that last night when he was sleeping or just lying there were some thoughts that came inside his ear. Crawled basically means move slowly. There's some what ifs, some concepts that entered his ear, and then they started to prance. Prance means to jump, to hop, and partied up in his head all night long. And those what ifs, they sang a song. What was the song that they sang? They bothered the poet saying, "Arey, what if you become dumb in school where you can't speak? What if they've closed the swimming pool? What will happen if they close the swimming pool?" So the narrator, the poet, gets worried. What if I get beat up? That means there are people who start to beat me up. What if there's poison in my cup? If I drink something and that turns out to be poisonous? What if I start to cry? So everything I've marked here. You're dumb in school, you can't speak, the swimming pool is closed, there's no water, poison in the cup, and of course you start to cry. So this is how the what ifs rolled into the ear of the poet. What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? Now again, there are a lot of things that bother him. What ifs continue. So one of the what ifs is that he gets sick, the poet gets sick and dies. The other one is that he fails in the examination, in the test. Then he imagines, and something that worries him a lot is if his chest hair starts to get green. He gets green hair on his chest. And his wild imagination continues to the extent that he says, what if nobody likes me? Everybody starts to hate me. Or what if there is this striking of lightning that hits me, the thunderstorm that hits me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts becoming smaller? Doesn't grow to its normal regular size? And what if the fish won't bite, if the fish stop to bite? What if the wind tears up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems swell. Now, swell, bacha, when it's used as a noun, it means to rise. But here, it also means when everything is wonderful, is good. When swell is used as an adjective or an adverb, it means wonderful, amazing, excellent. And then the nighttime what if strikes again, hits me again. So there are more things that bother the poem. He starts to worry, what if the wind tears up his kite, breaks his kite, it falls apart, is not able to fly high, it's gone. What if a war gets started? What if the parents aren't together anymore? What if the bus gets late? What if his teeth don't grow any longer, the normal size? What if he tears his pants? What if he never gets a chance to learn how to dance? And when, everything that he dislikes stops, or maybe his imagination comes to a standstill, he stops thinking, stops worrying, and everything seems wonderful, perfect. But again, when the night time falls, when it's the night time, he's again lying on his bed. Those what ifs come back, they hit him, they strike his head, and again he starts thinking, imagining, worrying about things that might happen to him or otherwise. So that's all about the poem. In case you liked it, please like, share and subscribe.